Welcome to Basic C Programming. Episode 5, Conditional Statements in C. In this episode, we'll learn how to make decisions in programs using if, else if, and else. Conditional statements allow programs to make decisions based on certain conditions. They control how the program behaves depending on whether a condition is true or false. In C, the common types are if else, and else if ladder. The if statement runs a block of code only when the given condition is true. If the condition evaluates to false, that block is skipped. The if-else statement is used when you need one block of code to run if a condition is true, and another to run if it's false. This ensures one of the two actions always executes. The else-if ladder helps test multiple conditions one after another. As soon as one condition is true, that block executes and the rest are skipped. Nested if statements allow placing one if block inside another. This is helpful when checking multiple related conditions, but indentation must be used carefully for clarity. This diagram shows the flow of conditional statements. If the condition is true, one block executes, otherwise the alternate block runs. Here's an example of a simple program that checks if a number is positive, negative, or 0 using conditional statements. When you run this program, it displays the result based on the number entered by the user. This program checks if a number is positive using a simple if statement. The output of example 1, simple if statement is as follows. The number is positive. This example checks whether the entered number is even or odd using if else. The output of example 2, using if else statement is as follows. Enter a number, 5. The number is odd. Here, multiple conditions are checked using the else if ladder to determine the grade based on marks. The output of example 3, using else if ladder is as follows. Enter your marks, 78. Grade, B. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these C programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Write a program to check whether a number is positive, negative, or 0. Use if, else if, and else to print the correct result. Exercise 2. Write a program to find the largest of two numbers using if else. Compare the two numbers and print which one is greater. Exercise 3. Write a program to check whether a given year is a leap year or not. Use the condition if year %4 equals 0 and year %100 not equals 0 or year %400 equals 0. Exercise 4. Write a program to assign grades based on marks using an else if ladder. Use conditions for A, B, C, and F grades. Exercise 5. Write a program to check whether a character is a vowel or consonant. You can compare the character with vowels like a, E, I, O, and U. Thank you for watching episode 5. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic C programming series.